Getting your 1,000 subscribers on YouTube is very easy, but getting your 4,000 watch hours on YouTube is very difficult. All the established YouTubers have gone through the phase of struggling to get this 4,000 watch hours, and all startup YouTubers are also facing this. So, in today's video, I'm going to share with you this new trick that if you implement on your video on your channel right now, you will get your 4,000 watch hours as fast as in the next 4 weeks. If you're just starting out on YouTube and you're worried, how do I get to my monetization? What you need is your 1,000 subscribers, your 4,000 watch hours, or your 10 million short views. These are the requirements for you to start making money on YouTube. But do not be worried, because this new trick I'm going to show you today will help you get your 4,000 watch hours as fast as in the next 4 weeks. The amazing thing about this trick is, as you're getting your watch hours, you're also getting your subscribers. So you don't need to worry about how would I get my subscribers after getting this watch hours. Before you even get to 2,000 watch hours, you must have gotten above 1,000 subscribers. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you for clicking on play. I know a lot of you are like, but this channel is not yet monetized. Why are you telling us about getting 4,000 watch hours as fast as possible? This is actually my second channel, and it's one of the channels that I have grown, because for the past 1 year, I have been able to grow 15 different channels from scratch to monetization. And right now I am still growing some, and I am also managing a lot of channels, so I know exactly what I'm talking about. And also, I have a lot of students that have actually thought on what to do on YouTube, and they've been able to grow their channel to monetization. So follow this video step by step so you can get your 4,000 watch hours, get monetized, and start making money. Before we get into the video proper, please go down to the comment section and you drop a comment right there. Now, this is how I want you to write your comments. Introduce your channel, and at the end of whatever you're doing as introducing your channel, you can now write there, I am here to connect with you all. When you drop that comment, watch this video till the end. When you're done watching the video, come back to the comment section and connect with every small YouTuber that you see right there. If you see 100 subscribers, connect with all of them. If your comment is the only comments right there, don't worry, come back tomorrow morning, and then you would see other small YouTubers that are right there waiting to connect with you. And this is how I want you to connect, that will actually help your channel and the other small YouTubers also to grow. Click on their channel, go to their channel and watch at least 3 of their videos till the end. Please do not watch 3 minutes. Do not watch 10 minutes. If the video is 1 hour, watch till the end. If the video is 2 minutes, watch till the end. When you're done watching these 3 videos, or when you're done watching one, comment, and your comment should be related to that video. Do this on all the 3 videos, then you like, and then you subscribe on that channel. These persons that you've connected with will also connect with you, and this is how you will get your 1,000 subscribers and your watch hours. Imagine you meet 1,000 subscribers right there, or 1,000 comments right there. You connect with all of them, you would be having 1,000 subscribers at a go. Now, when you're done doing that on this video, on the comment section of this video, go to the previous videos we have right there. We have a lot of small YouTubers, because not all of them will watch this video. Some of them are there on the other videos waiting for you. Go watch, learn, and connect with them on the comment section. And when you're done, every morning when you wake up, come back to this channel and connect with other small YouTubers that have watched that video. Do this as a routine, and you come back to this channel after a month and tell me what you've gotten from the comment section. Now, to our video proper, come along with me. Let me show you how this new trick can help you get your 4,000 watch hours, whether you're using a faceless YouTube channel or a channel like my own. So, the first thing you have to do is to come over to Google. Right here on your search bar, you type in silent live stream. Okay? Just like so. Now right here, type in, or you click on images. and you select what is related to what you want to do, all right? Let's say, for example, this one right here, I love it. Take a screenshot, just like so. And the next thing you want to do is to crop it. So go to your gallery right here, all right? Search for the screenshot. Here we have it, and we can crop it just like so. Now click on done when you're done cropping. So this is the image we have right here. And the next thing is for you to go back to Google. Right here on Google, what you have to type in right here is type in any beautiful image that you want. You can type in flowers, all right? Click on it just like so, and you take an image of any beautiful flower you see right here. Or you can take a screenshot of it, all right? I love this one. Let's see what we have. Okay, let's look for another, just like this one right here. It's lovely. You can take a screenshot or you go through to see any other amazing one that you so desire. Now, right here, you can type in any image. Let me say for cartoon images. I love cartoons. So let's search for a cartoon image. Okay, so you can actually search for your favorite cartoon. How many of you love this? So I love his image, so I think I want to use it, all right? So let me download it. You can either screenshot it or you download it. So we're going to be using this cartoon image. I just changed my mind. You can use the flyer if you so desire. Let me download two of them so we can try either of them using this trick I'm going to be showing you. So the next thing you want to do is to go to your YouTube channel. You click on it just like so. And below where you see the plus sign, you click on it. It's going to bring you to your live stream right below here. You see video, short, live stream, and post. So we're going on a live stream, right? This is what we have to do today. Now, what you have to do right here is to click on the pencil icon you see right here, just like so. And where you see the image, click on the pencil icon on it and click on upload thumbnail. Now, right here, it's going to bring out or take you to your gallery and you select this live stream right here, silent live stream. Now, click on save. And instead of the S image we now have a beautiful thumbnail right there. The next thing you want to do is right here on visibility, click on it and you put this live stream on public. And the next thing is for you to set this as no, it's not made for kids. Now, we're not going to go through setting up the live stream, but if you do not have an idea on how you can set your live stream so you can get more visibility, let me know on the comment section and I'm going to do a proper video for you. This video, we can't make it long, so what you have to do right here is to click on go live. All right. Now we're going to be fast with this because people are going to start joining this live stream. So we have to be fast so that they don't start joining. And the next thing you have to do right here is for you to click right below here where you see this image. And it is for your green screen. Now, what you have to do here is to select any of the images that we actually took a screenshot or downloaded. Whichever one best suits you. Let's say, for example, this one right here. Do you see what we have? Good. Or this one, it all depends on you, what you want to have. Sorry about that. Now, this is so that when you're going on your live stream, you would be able to have, on your silent live stream, you'll be able to have a beautiful image so that when anyone joins, that person will be able to follow up with the image you have right there. Okay guys, so I'm really sorry about the glitches, but I'm going to do a proper video why I have these glitches. I was thinking I should do it right now, but because this video is for a tutorial and I don't want it to be very long. Now, the next thing that you can actually do is for you to mute your mic. If you mute your mic, no other noise from the background will actually be drawn into this your live stream. And another thing you can actually do is also to mute your camera. So there are two ways. You can actually have this with your green screen, meaning that when you're done with this, you can actually drop your phone just like so. And this is what you would have on your live stream. You will have your live stream just like this, all right, with a beautiful image while you're not talking, and you can actually leave this live stream for the next 4 hours. Now, if you don't want to do that, you can also just block your camera and you have your live stream like this, all right? So you can have your live stream like this, but the reason why I prefer the beautiful image is because it will actually draw people to that live stream better than having something like this, all right? So if you're having a faceless YouTube channel, you don't want your face to be shown, you can use this. This is it. This is what you're going to be having. And you don't need to talk. You just need to leave your phone, keep your phone right there, and make sure that your phone is charging. Your phone is charging, and you will be getting people on your live stream. As simple as that. When you do this for 2 weeks, and let me know on the comment section how this trick works out for you. All right, because people are already coming in. We have to end the live stream right now. This is just a tutorial. We're going to have a proper live stream this evening by 9 p.m. Listen, a lot of small YouTubers do not know what to say when they go on a live stream. Even if they have what to say, they would want to spend maybe 15 minutes or 30 minutes or 1 hour. But I bet you, spending 1 hour will not make you to get this watch hours as fast as possible. The better way for you to do is this one I've showed you right now, and make sure you go on a live stream for at least 4 hours. Now, when you're done with the 4 hours, you can take up another live again in the next 8 hours, go for another 4 hours, and you do this at least 2 times a day. And in the next 2 weeks, you would see the amount of watch hours that you have grown on your channel. Please, before you click out of this video, go to the comment section and connect with every small YouTuber that you see right there. And also, the link to our WhatsApp channel is right there, our Telegram channel, and also the channel we have on Instagram. All these channels are made up of small YouTubers who are aggressive to grow, and they are waiting for you. They want to connect with you. They want to make sure you grow as well as you also make sure they grow. So go there, click on it, join them, and connect with everyone on all of these channels. Love you all, and until next time, keep creating, keep searching, and never ever give up on anything you do. If you have a problem, let me know on the comment section or on any of the channels that you've joined. Until next time, bye bye.